Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm here with one more recruitment notification for you all guys. So already I have released two notification yesterday and one more South India with respect to South India Bank in the evening. So I am here with one more recruitment notification. So I'm getting lots of recruitment from government side so that I can deliver the same message to you all. So as you can see on the screen, they will directly go into those jobs which doesn't need any experience. Okay, so I know most of them will not be having an experience. So if you have experience, then you can go to the specific job. Okay, so now let us see the first one. If I click on the details, the tab will be opened and you can see the duration of the position, everything has been present here. So the qualification is BE BTech or equivalent degree, post graduation in science, technology, engineering, computer application or in relevant domain. So you need to have 60% of the marks. Okay, and the job profile and has been provided and the mode of selection is also shown. So I'll discuss about those things, don't worry. And this was one of the job which doesn't need any experience, and then there is one more job that doesn't need any experience. So if I go there also, you need to have full-time BE BTech. Okay, the degrees are, and who have only BE BTech are not eligible, but you need to have ME MTech also. So if you have, you can apply to this. So if you don't have, don't worry, I have other jobs also which requires only BE BTech. So as you can see, this also requires both of them. So if we see this job profile, then if you go into the details, then you will get to know that full-time first class in post-graduation degree in mathematics, statistics or equivalent is also applied. So if you have master's degree also, then you are eligible here. So my intention is that not only BE BTech are eligible, but other master degree are also eligible. Okay, so if we see the last one, that is with respect to zero experience, then you can see, yeah, first class BE BTech in electronics communication, telecommunication, electronics and computer science and IT. These are the posts that are eligible. So these were the posts that many people are eligible. So BE BTech in specific branches and master's degree in statistics or mathematics are also eligible. So now let us see from where this notification has been released. So it has been released from CDAC Bengaluru, recruitment of technical posts. Okay, so it is comes under Ministry of Electronics and Communication. So CDAC is a eminent organization under Ministry of Electronics and Communication. So it is a central government job itself. And you can see the payments, everything will be paid, and also allowances will be provided. That is the good thing here. And the syllabus is also provided: logical reasoning, general knowledge, English, numerical ability, domain knowledge. So these four includes QRE plus current affairs, which you have studied everything. And the domain knowledge is nothing but with respect to your degree. With respect to your degree, the questions will be asked. Okay, and the other things are provided here, the things that have to be applied, and the application fees is 500 rupees. Okay, so 500 rupees is application fee. So starting is 3rd January and the last date is 18th January. Okay, and return date will be communicated by email only. So they have not provided with respect to the center of examination. So I was not sure about that. So I'm not sure where will the exam will be held. I guess it will be in Bengaluru itself, but still I'll try to call them and inquire with respect to the examination center. So after that I'll inform you through another video. Okay, so this was the complete details of the notification, guys. And you can see the written test details are also provided: 150 marks, 25 marks per each topic. That is what I explained here. So yeah, you have these the topics in the test. Okay, so these are the different aspects of this notification. So I will give this link in the description box, so you can go to the description and see where are different positions that I showed that requires zero years of experience. The number of posts and the job description has also been mentioned there. So from there you can get access to the different application and apply online. Okay, the fees is 500 rupees. So this was the complete details, guys. So if you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.